jiggly jiggly on my gigawatt jiggle nut. Finger licking titties on my 50-inch gigawatt TV. See me, I'm a masturbating genie. Be on CB watching Jackie chewing on my peenie. What it be? Got sugar booty all up on my screen. Eat the green, eat the green. I'll be looping up her dreams, slipping, slide into a nightmare when I button up my jeans. 501k, vision 2020k, mean eating beans. Rice and two left on my per diem. Got my yuca fried up like your mans when I see them. Young Dominican, multiplying through his semen, spitting gin, sipping juice like Snoop meets Efrit. I be it. Define design, vision of a leader. Pour the wick to your lip while you spitting margaritas till they go and call they poppy. And we got a poppy frito. Tryna get some booty shakers. Follow me where we go. Get some Cali chicas and pretend that we amigos. Take them to the back room and from there Tostitos, vecinos. Hear the mariachi in the morning, cause we turn the speaker up a little, cover up the moaning. But before it, you know I had to play the Antony and get his cousin Romeo to finish with the crooning. I'm blooming, the first Dominican introducing Plátano to the game. I'm hotter than Jimmy Churri, so sue me, cause I'm busting all up on your stereo and fucking up your car speakers. Where he at? There we go. Case you didn't know, they call me Rap Game Medina. Ho, pissing on your city cause I'm claiming it is mine though. Carmen Sandiego cause I do it all the time though. Going like Diego till the president is mine though. Pro era got Malia, I'm trying to get Barack. Bill Clinton is my nigga cause I saw him on my block.
True story. It was 2008. It probably had to do with Hillary's campaign, or maybe him and Hillary was trying to have a date. All I know is what I saw when I got off that one train on Dykeman. The crowd was heavy and was tight, man. So naturally I thought that two people was there fighting. But as I get closer, Dominicans yelling out, make it to the center, I'm like, oh shit, it is him. So I shook his hand and said, what's up, my man? I don't remember what I said, but I did shake his hand. He shook a couple more, then entered the restaurant. Cause that nigga love Mongo and shit, I guess that's what he want.
Now it's 2016 and America's at a crossroads. Witness succumb to hate or continue on the long road. Will my nigga Sanders come through and revolutionize, or will Donald Trump make the country into the fourth Reich? Cause if that shit happen, guess I'm finna go to Canada. Underground railroad of the modern day millennia. Latino, a Negro, Semitic last name. Niggas tell me I look Arab, they gon' hate me like Hussein. All this shit I'm talking is what is in my brain. It's the first of the year, that's the name of the game. They been asking what I'm up to and what I've been saying. Don't worry, you will know when the album's out.